Bonjour, hello, ni hao, నమస్కారం అందరూ. ఈ వీడియోలో అంతా నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడతా. నేను చాలా ఇంగ్లీష్ వర్డ్స్ కూడా యూస్ చేస్తా బికాజ్ నాకు అంత బాగా తెలుగు తెలీదు. నేను ఎందుకు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడతా అంటే ఒక చేంజ్ ఉంటుంది. నేను చాలా ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడతా, సో బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ ఉంటుంది తెలుగులో మాట్లాడితే స్టడీస్ అప్పుడు. సో ఇప్పుడు టైము 10 PM అవుతుంది. నేను 11 PMలో పనుకోవాలా. బట్ నాకు ఒక 5 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంది ప్రాబ్లమ్ సెట్లో, ఫిజిక్స్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సెట్లో. సో నా గోల్ అంటే 10 PM 1 అవర్లో ఆ 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ అంతా సాల్వ్ చేసేసి సబ్మిట్ చేస్తే 11 PMలో పనుకుంటా. సో అవును, ఈ వీడియో అంతా నేను లెర్నింగ్ అండ్ సాల్వింగ్ చేస్తా. నేను ఒక నో కాపీ రైట్ లోఫై మ్యూజిక్ కూడా ఆడతా, బాగుంటుంది. అండ్ ఒక 60-minute టైమర్ కూడా పెడతా. Don't mind me using English because I naturally speak in English, I think in English, but I'm also kind of trying to practice my Telugu too. Okay. So నేను 1 క్వశ్చన్ క్యాంపస్లో అయిపోయింది. నాకు ఒక 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2 ఒక 4 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు 4 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ ఈ క్వశ్చన్లో a copper calorimeter can with a mass of 0.1 kilogram contains 0.16 kilogram of water and 0.018 kilogram of ice in thermal equilibrium at 1 atmospheric pressure. So if a 0.75 kilogram mass of lead at the temperature of 255 degrees Celsius is dropped into the can, what is the final temperature assuming no heat is lost into the surroundings? So నేను mass of copper పెట్టిన ఇక్కడ ఇదే కాపర్ క్యాన్, mass of water, mass of ice. ఈ initial temperature 0 degrees లో ఉంది because ice water mixture 0 degrees లో ఉంటుంది. So final temperature కదా, so TF what is it? కనుక్కోవాలా. ఫైనల్ టెంపరేచర్ కనుక్కోవాలా. సరే, సో బై హార్ట్ నాకు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఎట్లా చేయాలో నాకు తెలీదు. సో జెమినై హెల్ప్ తీసుకుంటా. సో ఆ లెడ్ వాటర్లో పెడితే ఆ వాటర్ ఐస్ని వాటర్ కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తుంది. The ice will turn into water and the water will warm up, and that will also result in the copper can to warm up. And so I need to find that out. The warming of water. Q2 equals to mass mass of the ice plus mass of the water. So ice ని మెల్ట్ చేస్తున్న latent heat of fusion తో warm the resulting water from 0 to T final. So ఆ ice melt అయిపోతుంది because 0.75 kilogram of lead to 255 degrees Celsius లో ఉంటే చాలా హాట్ కదా, ఐస్ అంతా కరిగిపోతుంది. సో mass of the water plus mass of the ice that's also melted, and the heat capacity of water, and delta T, right? T final minus T initial. T initial should be right, correct, units Kelvin లో చేయడం లేదు. అది చేంజ్ ఇన్ టెంపరేచర్ కదా, కెల్విన్ ఇక్కడ నాట్ నీడెడ్. హీట్ ద కాపర్, ఇది నా ఈక్వేషన్ షీట్ కావాలి. ఇది ఎగ్జామ్లో యూజ్ చేస్తా, సో నాకు చాలా బాగా I need to know this really well. And so Q equals MC delta T. Equation కొంచెం మార్చేస్తా. Mass of the copper can times the mass of the heat capacity of copper, and same thing's going on, minus 0, right? Heat lost. Right. This is also kind of important. 255 degrees lead anta 0 degrees or final temperature ke ravala kada. So cool the lead. The Q4 equals to mass of the lead times the heat capacity of lead. Yep, I got that. The heat capacity of lead. And the final temperature minus the initial, which we already know is 255 degrees Celsius. And so then assemble the final equation. ఇదేమి సో ఇదంతా ఈ ఈక్వేషన్లో పెట్టాలా. జమున ఇట్లా చేసింది నాకు తెలియదు, చూస్తున్నా. Assemble the final equation. Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4 equals 0. Combine like terms equals to So Q gain. I'm probably definitely not finishing this by 11 p.m. because if this is confusing, then the next several questions are going to be pretty hard. Uh, 612. I'm gonna ask what to do with Q gain equals to Q lost. Huh. Huh. So huh. So heat loss to ఇది అండ్ ఇదంతా ఇక్కడ అవుతుంది. సో ఈక్వేషన్స్ అంతా పెట్టాల. సో నాకు ఇది Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q equals to Q4. సో ఇదంతా ఇక్కడ పెట్టాల అంతే కదా. QMIS LF ఇది దేంట్లో అంతే కదా. Mu mice see mu say cat mice say mouse. Cat plus mouse equals to heat, because Tom and Jerry fight a lot. That's a lot of heat. Plus ఇది MCU CCU TF minus 0 minus 0 అయితే వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కదా. వెళ్ళిపోవడం లేదు. ఎందుకు వెళ్ళిపోతుంది? initial, final minus initial, right? So that should just be gone. Right. And so, be gone, mass of the ice. Oh my god, this is gonna be long. Oh, this is gonna be long. Mm. Zero point 0.018 times 3.34 times 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mass of the water plus the mass of the ice. 0.16 plus 0.018 times what's CW? 4190 times the final temperature, which is the MCU 0.1 CCU is the mass of PB 0.75 128, and then this thing ఇంకొక పేపర్ కావాలి నాకు పేపర్ లేదు సింపులే కదా అంత మల్టిప్లికేషనే significant figures. What are my significant figures? They say for a final, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Everything is 3, but for calc, it's gonna be 4. So 12.07. 12.07. Then 0.1 times 392. Oh, I should have known that. 39 equals to 96. So, Gemini question alaga. Solve Jason D. ఇది easy kada. 6 and read. Uh, 96 TF. Okay, I really hope this works. 6 plus 24, 480. And so this 304. I'm sorry, significant figures go goodbye. 96 minus 51.07. 4.93 TF, and then divide this in it. Final temperature is this 3, 4. Apparently, the final temperature should not be 678 degrees Celsius. Because the temperature turning from, 255 degrees Celsius to 678 degrees Celsius with no energy added sounds pretty reasonable to me. And now this is only a matter of where did I go wrong? Usually I would cue this to somebody else and be like, where did this go wrong? And then I went wrong here. Do this better. Let's move on to the next question. But now I gotta figure out, where did this go wrong? I'm so annoyed. So that's correct. No. That's correct. That's wrong. How's that wrong? Mass of the water is wrong. How? zero. No. Okay. That's correct. That's correct. Find a tool. Idina distraction list. But the phone is recording, so I can't touch my phone. Okay, well. నేను క్లాస్లో నుంచి వచ్చిన అప్పుడు ట్రైన్ వస్తుంది, సో నేను రన్నింగ్ చేసిన తర్వాత What up?
Can't do my dishes now.
Oh, okay.
Oh, and later I'm gonna throw my I'm staying up late. I'm just gonna throw my clothes on. And I'll slip out of the room hopefully around like maybe 12 or 1 a.m.
Why don't you do it tomorrow?
Hmm?
Why don't you do it tomorrow?
Because people are using the washer and dryer like a lot.
Yeah.
Like, 'cause, you know, I think another floor also doesn't have a functioning like washer or dryer or something.
Mm-hmm.
So I checked it out, and a lot of the floors seem like they're kind of booked up.
Okay.
Like, haven't you noticed that? Like, it looks like you kind of have to go out like 1 a.m. or something.
No, I've been getting all of mine at reasonable time.
Oh, okay. I was talking to somebody in the elevator. Like, yeah, you gotta go out like 1 a.m. Or at least like super late.
Well,
Maybe I'll try throwing it in now.
if somebody's clothes is like in the dryer, you just pull it out and put your clothes in.
No, like what you told me was like people are using it like more commonly, more frequently because the dryers and washers are
Yeah.
down.
Also,
Yeah.
your voice is gonna be in this video.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
You could just remove the audio.
I'm talking a lot
Oh, okay.
to the camera.
Oh, you should have told me I would have done this later.
It's okay.
Or you try editing out the parts where I'm cleaning my dishes.
I'm not gonna spend 1 second editing. It takes too long.
Takes too long.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's pretty easy. Yeah, well, you win some, you lose some.
Mm-hmm. I'm doing this in half Telugu and half English. So I guess I get to practice my language a bit.
Broader audience as well.
Yes, exactly. I messed up my entire calculation because I didn't put one subtraction sign.
One fraction sign?
One subtraction sign. So I just put it there. And everybody is happy.
You're moving like Diddy was touching you.
No. So heat is lost because the lead loses heat. So this thing comes to the other side, becomes positive, and the equation is happy. Yeah. Okay, well, it's just changing this. Okay, 57 plus T96. Two, 4, 4, 0 minus 18, 4, 6, 8. Oh, that's right. Divided by la. 1 0.
Doing calculus work right now?
Physics.
No, physics.
It's basically grade 12 chemistry.
Oh, nuclear physics, right?
Thermodynamics.
Oh, thermodynamics. Oh, Q is on TW.
Yeah.
Yeah, all that.
Okay. This should all be correct. Correct. Why did this become? Yeah,
Yeah, we
Yeah.
probably need another bottle.
I'm gonna buy one. Just open it and pour it on your stuff.
Nah, it's okay. It still comes out. Just
No, it's like water plus dish.
I
so.
know. It's good enough.
Eh.
Good. Hold on.
Okay. Wait, 1 second. Can you come here?
Sure. What's up?
Q gain equals to minus Q lost, right?
Yeah, Q gained because conservation of energy.
Uh, this is not equal to each other. It's Q gain minus, right? That's
Yeah,
right.
yeah, because as something. So if you have like an object and you have the environment, remember like open and closed systems,
Right.
it's as energy leaves an object, that object loses energy, and the environment gains energy.
Right.
So they're negative of each other.
Then what is this? Is that wrong?
Sum of Q. Yeah, well, no, because sum of Q. It basically ChatGPT is just ignoring the
Yeah, the negative.
the negative because it's like the actual quantity is the same, but yeah, and I mean there should be a negative. But
Okay.
yeah, the sum of all Q's should be 0 because Q
Alright.
gained plus Q lost should be 0, so it's
Right.
contradicting itself in there. Yeah,
Oh, alright.
but yeah, it's just being a little bit silly.
Alright, thank you.
No worries.
At this point, I don't feel happy enough to speak in Telugu. Feel mad. ChatGPT is better. I'm gonna try this problem again.
there's my mini fridge. You ever tried one?
I want cinnamon roll.
You want some? Like, have you ever had one before?
I don't know what those are.
These are like kind of like not the best ones, but they're pretty much stuff that's like sugar glaze. It's a cinnamon. It's like a pastry wrapped in like a swirl of cinnamon. Sure, yeah. Bring a plate. Give me the best. Centerpiece. Did lots of cinnamon. How much hands are all stuck in the sugar. Never tried cinnamon roll before?
Not sure.
Well, it's a good chance to try it. They were on special, so I got them. Yeah. You know, I'm so cheap, I never buy anything that's not 50% off or on special. Not for you?
One second.
I just think it's nice to try new things in general. Doesn't mean you have to like. Alright. Oh yeah, it'd be good with milk.
Hmm?
It would be good with milk.
Maybe if they were more fresh, I would like them.
Yeah, it wasn't the best cinnamon roll. It's not like a bakery one, it's kind of like a mass-produced one.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's a little stale. Is that the word we're looking for?
No, it's just cheap. It's just not the best cinnamon roll, but yeah, I know what you mean. It is kind of like hard, chewy. Yeah, it's not really supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be more like fluffy, kind of.
I understand the taste, but the texture doesn't feel like right.
Yeah. Oh, good sense then, because yeah, you're right. It is kind of like it is like that. I don't know. I just buy whatever's cheap. It's good enough for me.
Yeah,
Yeah, no, it's not amazing. It's not an amazing cinnamon roll.
It tastes good.
Okay. Man, cinnamon and sugar go together like peanut butter and jam. Well, thanks for trying it.
Thank you.
Oh, and 7th floor, right? Or this?
You can check either. I like the 7th floor.
Sure.
నా రూమ్మేట్ నాకు ఒక సినమన్ రోల్ ఇచ్చినాడు, చాలా బాగుంది, బట్ టెక్స్చర్ లో క్వాలిటీగా ఉంది, టేస్ట్ చాలా బాగుంది. ఇంకొంచెం ఫ్రెష్గా ఉంటే ఇంకా ఇష్టంగా ఉంటుంది. Okay, well. Ice ni melchialla, first thing. So latent heat diffusion తీసుకోవాలా. Before that, Q gain equals to minus Q lost. And Q1 equals to mass of the ice times the latent heat of fusion of water. And then it's to heat the water. The melted ice plus the mass of the water. C, heat capacity of water, delta T. Final temperature minus initial 0. So I'll just leave it at delta, just T final. And then cool. Right. Heat the copper. Q2, no, Q3. Sorry, I'm sleepy. I'm tired, but I'm forcing myself to practice physics because this problem set is very important. MCU, CCU, delta, just TF, and then Q, so Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 equals to minus Q4. PB. CPB. And then you don't know the final temperature, but we know the initial. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Q1 goes to mass of the ice.
Time is up.
10:45. Are you taking the elevator?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, because I ended up having to go to multiple floors. The one right above us has somebody's clothes are in it, and it's set to 0, like so it's done. But they have another set of clothes on top of that that's somebody else's, so I can't pile their stuff under there. And then there's the same, and then the dryer's got 30 minutes left, and it also has a pile of clothes on it.
Which floor did you go to?
7. So I can't get in there because I'd have to like mix two people's set of clothes no matter what.
Oh.
And then, or I'd put it on the floor.
You know, you can just take the stairs.
Yeah, but I figured in case that happened, I'd just take the elevator. So I checked I checked 5, and then 5 was a no-go, and then 8 worked. So I ended up traveling a lot.
I see.
Yeah. But yeah, so in 30 minutes I'll head back up there, so 11:15, and then I'll be another like hour after that, so I'll come back at 12, pretty much like 12:15, 12:20, something like that.
I'll be asleep by then.
Yeah, so I'll try to be quiet, but
Alright.
I was hoping to do this at like 1 a.m. would give you a deep sleep, but
Deep sleep. Mash out the ice. Okay. And so this one is times the heat capacity of water, which is 186. So hopefully this is right. 745. And then Q3, mass of the copper. Times okay, alright. Yep, that's working. And oh, mass of the lead. 0.75 times 0. CPV 130. T5. Okay, alright. So the mistake I made over here was, now I understand, I put negative over there, negative over there, negative over there. So that becomes negative, and then that distributes. So it's still correct. I don't know what's wrong. And so Q gain, which is Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. 6, 0, 1, 2 plus 7, 4, 5.1 D final plus 38.5 T final equals to negative bracket 5 T big T, not to be confused by one big T final minus 24862.5. Six, 0, 1, 2 plus this thing 745.1 plus 7, 8. Music ended. What? Huh, okay, they're back.
One of you can create your own website by saying, "This is what I want." With Wix, you can.
What if you could taste the movies?
We turned that idea into an $11.3 million business. With
Okay, so it's been 1 hour and I'm still stuck on the same problem. My mind is working really slow right now. No idea why this thing gets subtracted by 6/12. So it's 18. Divided by 881.1 T5 is 21.39 degrees Celsius. But since it's 21.4 degrees Celsius, so I'm not sure what went wrong before. I think it's because my notes are better. I noted down better. I didn't. Okay, alright. Finally, I got the answer correct. 21.4 degrees Celsius. Yay hoo. Okay. I'm gonna do this better. I'm so tired. Played badminton today for like 15 minutes. And I'm feeling that extreme tiredness right now. It's 11 p.m. It's when I usually sleep. Picture window has dimensions of 1.4 meters times 2.5 meters and is made of glass 5.8 millimeters thick. On a winter day, the outside temperature is minus 15 degrees Celsius, while the inside temperature is a comfortable 19.5 degrees Celsius. At what rate is heat being lost through the windows by conduction? At what rate would heat be lost through the window if you covered it with 0.575 millimeter thick layer of paper? The thermal conductivity of 0.05 watts per meter Kelvin. Oh my god. I'm so tired. At this point, I don't even feel like speaking in Telugu. Heat transfer by conduction is K times A TH minus DC divided by L. Okay. Every minute that I spend after 11 p.m. is sleep lost, because tomorrow I'm probably definitely gonna wake up at 7 a.m. no matter what. So rather than catching up on sleep on weekends, I'm actually losing sleep on weekends. I actually feel so sleepy. It's a good idea to turn down my screen brightness down to 0. Yep, that's better. I don't know how to solve this question. Okay, so I'm supposed to take the surface area of the window. So a window length is 2.5 meters, width is 1.4 meters. Thickness is 0.10,000, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 meters. And then Tn be 19.5 degrees Celsius. And then T out would be minus 15 degrees Celsius. So delta T would be initial final what? Minus 15 minus 19.5. T out. So heat is being transferred from inside to outside, right? So why? Inside to outside. So initial to final. So final minus initial, and that delta T should be negative. Why isn't delta T negative energy is escaping from inside the house to outside the house. And so why isn't the T negative? Very common conceptual trap. ChatGPT says that's correct, so I gotta follow it's correct. So it's 19.5 minus 15. That's 34.5 degrees Celsius, so just the change in temperature that I need. This gives a surface area of is it 2.5 times 3.5 meters is correct. Equals area. Equals heat transfer by conduction. Thick T TG latent LG. I have no idea what LG is. I have no idea what LG is. Oh my god. Okay. Length of glass. Okay. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. We also need to know the thermal conductivity of glass. That is not given, so Kg would be 0.84 watts per meter. Ka delta T. So the formula of heat transfer by conduction, H equals to Ka TH minus TC divided by L. And I'll just replace. Get university trained Toyota people to fix a car. Pay me money, Toyota, I'm advertising you. I'll just replace this by KG, area, AG, delta T. I'll heat to cold. Hot to cold minus TC. TC, hot. This is the cold. This is the hot. Okay, no wonder why. Okay, alright, so I'll just rewrite this kg, ag, delta T, lg. Right. So h equals to kg, 0.84, ag, 3.5, delta T, 34.5, divided by lg, 0.0058. So the heat lost, what is the rate of heat lost? That is 34.5 divided by 0.0058 times 30.5 times 0.85. Some huge long number. I'll simplify it. 8.5, right? So significant figures is 3. 5 times 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is that? This is in watts. This is watts over meters. Area is just in meters over 1. And delta T is delta T over length, which is in meters. So something happens to this, it's gone. Mass and mass cancelled out, so just maths. And so I'll write my answer 1.75 times times 10 to the power of 4 watts. Oh, okay. My answer is correct. So, this question, at what rate would heat be lost through the window if you covered it with? So, over here you would just add 0.05. No. this point, my brain cannot function properly anymore. I am super sleepy. I need to stop this as soon as possible and get into bed. Don't feel like I can push. So, last resistance, total resistance. But the equation is not given here. What? KAL. Oh.
Still working on yourself? Your lyrics?
Yeah. Yes, I am.
Oh wait, have you had your calc midterm yet? Next week?
I have 3 exams consecutively.
Next week? Yeah, I'm telling you, if you ever want some help with that calculus stuff.
Alright. I'm gonna do it tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm gonna study Monday because I got one for Wednesday.
Me too. You blow up a spherical balloon to a diameter of centimeters until the absolute pressure inside at 1.2 atm. Temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. Assume that all the gas and the nitrogen. I really need to sleep. Okay, I'm gonna move to the next problem. I'm so tired. Foxes out. Okay, so for the second question, volume is this much.
Creativity is not something I wait for. I am Anthony Sendra, a filmmaker. I'm always
Find the initial mass of foxes. Okay. I'm gonna study this later. I cannot. Okay, well, I understood how to do 2.5 problems pretty well. I couldn't do the other ones properly. Yep, I'm going to go to bed immediately. Good night. Yep, good night.